The market price of an article is how much? X. After allowing a discount of 20% on the market price, a shopkeeper gains 80. If his profit is 14.2 by 7% and find the value of X, allowing a 20% discount on the market price, shopkeeper gains how many rupees? 80. Profit is 14.2 by 7%, means cost price, selling price. 14.2 by 7% means what is the fraction? 1 by 7 means profit is 1 part, cost price 7 parts. CPR 7 parts, selling price is 8 parts. Already 1 part equal to how much? 80 rupees are given. And what is the discount value? 20%. After discount, it will be 8 parts. Before discount, 10 parts. Yes or no? Before discount 10 parts, after discount 8 parts. What is the 10 parts market price? In the 20%, 2 parts. Then selling price is 8 parts. What is the question here? Value of X. X means how many parts? 10 parts. What is the answer? 800. Question number 52. A person divided a certain sum among his 3 sons in the ratio of 2:3:8. Instead, he divided it in the ratio of which one? 1/2, 1/3, 1/8. The son who got the least share would have received 3,300 more. The sum was how much? First of all, initially sum was distributed in which ratio? 2:3:8. Total how many parts? 13 parts. Means sum must be multiple of 13. Sum must be multiple of 13. First option 13 multiple. No. Second option 13 6 78. Remaining 97. No. 8750. 13 6 78. Remaining 78 completed. Remaining 9. Second option possible, 13 6 78, remaining 11700. That is exactly divisible by 1300. Then answer second option. Total sum is how many parts? 13 parts. What is the second one? He divided it in the ratio of half 1/3, 1/8. Fractions converted to integers. What is the LCM? 24. 1/2 means 12. 1/3 means 8. 1/8 means 300. What is the least person are getting? 12 parts. 12 out of 2300. 12 of 23. What is the least one in first case? 2 parts. And here also least one 12 parts. Okay, that 12 parts nothing but 12 by 23 of how many parts we are calculating? 13 parts. Because that sum is distributed for how many parts? 23 parts. Again the same X rupees is distributed for how many parts? 23 parts. But first case X rupees equal to how many parts? 13 parts. 13 parts value equal to 23, but we required how many parts? 12. 12 by 23 of 13 parts, that is new amount of least share. What is the actually least share? 2 parts. Then we return 2 by, directly we return 2 parts. Directly we return 2 parts. These two difference equal to how much? 3,300. Okay. If total share are 13 parts, in that second person least share is how many parts? 2 parts. 2 by 13 of 13 means how many parts? 2 parts. These two difference is how much? 3,300. 12 into 13, 156. 23 into 2, 46. What is the difference? 110. Parts by 23 equal to which one? 3,300. 110 how many times? 30 times or not? Every one part equal to 690 or not? How many parts we need? 13 parts or not? 690 into 13 అన్నాడు. వాట్ ద ఆన్సర్? 8970. కంపేర్ టు 9100, 130 లెస్ అన్నాడు. 690 మీన్స్ 700 minus 10 అన్నాడు. 700 into 13, 9100. 13 into 10, 130. Difference is 8970. Originally 2 parts are received. New case 12/23 of 13 parts. Those two difference is 3300. Next question number 53. Pipes A and B can empty a full tank in 12 hours and 20 hours. C is filling a pipe. All the 3 pipes were opened together at the same time. 1/5 of the tank got emptied in how many hours? 6 hours. 1/5 in 6 hours means total tank 30 hours. Means A, B, C. Minus A minus B plus C equal to how many hours? 30 hours. Negative or positive? Negative. If all the 3 pipes are functioned together, it will be emptied in how many hours? 30 hours. Only A alone can empty the tank in how many hours? 12 hours. Only B alone can empty the tank in how many hours? 20 hours. And C is only filling pipe. What is the LCM? 60. 30 how many times? 2 times. Minus 2 or plus 2? Minus 2. 12. 5 times. Minus 5. 20. Minus 3. And here something. Minus 5 minus 3 plus something equal to which one? Minus 2. Means something must be plus 6. Inlet A 5 liters. Outlet A 5 liters. Outlet B 3 liters. But all the 3 pipes are functioned together. How many liters are empty? 2 liters. Means C must be how many liters? 6 liters. Per minute how many liters? Per hour how many liters are empty? How many liters are filled? 6 liters. What is the total tank? 60/6. How many hours? 10 hours. No confusion. Minus 5 minus 3 plus something equal to minus 2. Something must be 6. Next question number 54. Anyone need? Next 55. A certain sum invested at compound interest amounts to 15,972 at 10% per annum. ఏం లేదు, మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో 55 అర్థం కానప్పుడు 55 అర్థం కానప్పుడు అట్లీస్ట్ 54 అన్నా ట్రై చేస్తారు కదా. లేదు 55 క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసే బదులు 54 చేయటం బెటర్ అనుకుంటా. ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఉంది కదా, దీంతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే 54 బెటర్ కదా. ఎగ్జామినర్ మనలాగే ఆలోచిస్తాడు. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 55. A certain sum invested at compound interest amounts to how much? 15,972 at 10% per annum, 3 years. 10% for 3 years. What is the compound interest? 33.1%. Interest 33.1%. Amount 133.1%. That is equal to how many rupees? 15,972. Then we are get the 100%. That is principal value. Okay. 1331. Directly it is 120 times. 1 2 13 12 156. Means it is closer to 12 times but less than 13 times. Means 120 times. Then principal is how much? 12,000. What is the second one? The same sum will amount to how many rupees? X rupees. At the same rate in how many years? 2/3 years. If the interest is compounded yearly in both the cases, what is the value of X? What is the principal in first one? 12,000. Second one also principal 12,000. Second one also rate of person will be same as the first one. What is the second one rate of person? 10%. But time is given 2/3 years. First general we are using step method. What is the per annum rate of person? 10%. What is the 10% of 12,000? 1200. First year interest 1200. What is the second year interest? 1200 plus 10% of 1200, 120. It is how many years interest? 2 years interest. 2 years interest. Again we required 2/3 year. Okay. 1 year nothing but how many months? 12 months. What is the 12 months interest? 1200. Okay. Means 2/3 of which one we required? 1200. What is the 2/3 of 1200? 800 plus 2/3 of which one? 2/3 of 1200. How much? 2/3 of 1200 is how much? 800. Again we required rate of percent. But rate of percent, it is 12 months rate of percent is how much? 10%. Then 8 months rate of percent 6 5 2 6 2 5 2 3 times 2 4 times 4 5 20 by 300. 20 by 3% of which value? 1200. 20 by 3% of 1200 means percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 20 by 3 of 12. 3 how many times 12? 4 times. 4 into 20. How much? 80. 20 by 3% of which value? 1200. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 3 almost 4 times. 4 20 is how much? 80. That 80 is the extra value. Next, again it is only interest on first year. Again we required interest on second year. What is the second year interest? 1320. 1320. In that also required 20 by 3%. Means it is 300. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros cancel. 3 almost 44. 44 2s are 88. Okay. 1200 plus 1200, 2400 plus 800, 3200 plus 120 plus 80, 200, 34 plus 88, 3488. That is interest value. Already principal 12,000. Then amount is 15488. Without writing all this one, take the 11 multiple. Take the 11 multiple. How many options are 11 multiple? First option is 11 multiple. Second option 11 multiple. No. Third option no. Fourth option no. Then answer first one. Answer is 11 multiple. How many options? Only one. Next 56. ABC working alone can do a piece of work in 12, 18, 36 days respectively. They work together and get 1020 for completing half of the work. What is the share of A after completion of work? And here what is the LCM? 36 and 12 how many times? 3 times. 18 2 times. 36 1 time. That is efficiency ratio or time ratio? Efficiency ratio. Either wages or salaries is distributed based on their efficiency, and they are get 1020 for completing half work or total work? Half work. What is the total work? 36. 36 parts. Half of the 36 parts? 18 parts. 18 parts you get how many rupees? 1020. 1020. Completing the half of the work. What is the question here? What is the share of A for completion of worker? A how many parts are completed? 3 parts. 3 parts means it is how much? They work together and get 1020 for half of the work. Sorry, wait. What is the total efficiency? 6 parts. 6 parts, it is the total efficiency of 3 persons or not? Okay, and what is the amount they are getting? 1020 for completing half of the work or total work? Half of the work, means out of the 6 parts they are getting half value or not? Means 3 parts value is how many rupees? 1020. What is the question here? A share or B share? A share. A is how many parts? 3 parts. What is the answer? 1020 or not? Next question number 57. The ratio of the milk and water is 7:4. If we are added 4 liters of water, the ratio of milk and water becomes 7:5. Means milk how many parts are increased? 0. Water is increased by 1 part. That 1 part equal to how many liters? 4 liters or not? But we required quantity of final mixture. How many parts we need? 12 parts. 1 part are 4. 12 parts are 48. Next question number 58. The average of 12 boys is how much? 45 kgs and 15 girls is 35 kgs. What is the overall average age of boys and girls together? What is the boys sum? 12 into 45 means 540. Next 15 into 35, 450 plus 75, 520. 450 plus 75, 525. Total it is 1065. That is distributed boys and girls are total how much? 27. 27 double how much? 54. 27 4 times 108 means it is less than 40 times or not? Less than 40 times but nearby 40 times or not? Then answer 39.44. Next 59. An article is sold at 14.2 by 7% profit. What is the fraction? 1 by 7. 1 is the profit, 7 is cost price. What is the question here? Ratio between selling price to the cost price. Selling price is 7 parts, cost price is, selling price is 8 parts, cost price is 7 parts. What is the ratio? 8:7. Next question number 60. An article is sold for 14,750 so as to earn a profit of 18%. Another article whose cost price is 10,500 but is getting a loss of 12%. What is the overall loss or gain in this whole transaction? What is the first one? Selling price 14,750 but is getting a profit 18%. Means cost price of first one equal to 100 by 118 of 14,750. Okay, 118. What is the half of the 118? 59. 59 2s are 118. 59 2s are 118. What is the remaining? 29. 29 means 295. How many times? 50. That is 25,000 divided by 2. How much? 12,500. That is first one cost price. What is the second one cost price already given? 10,500. 10,500. These two are adding. What is the total cost price? 23,000. Total cost price is how much? 23,000. And second one is getting a loss is how much? 12%. 12% loss means out of 10,500 we are subtracting 12%. What is the 1%? 105. 12%? 1260. Means we are subtracting 1260. Remaining value selling price. 10,500 minus how much? 1260. What is the remaining? 9,240. 9,240. What is the selling price of first one? 14,750. What is the selling price second one? 9,240. These two are adding, we are get the total selling price of two articles are 750 plus 240, 990 14 plus 9, 2300, 23,990. That is total selling price. 23,000 is the total cost price, but we required profit or loss. Profit is how much? 990 by 23,000 into 100, and numerator 3 zeros, denominator 3 zeros are cancelled. 23 4s are 92, means answer will be 4.30 gainer. 61. Anyone need? Okay, can I skip? Next question, number 62. In a bag, the ratio of the number of 2 rupee and 1 rupee, 5 rupee coins in the ratio of which one? 12 is to 25 is to 6. And if the total amount in the bag is how much? 158. Then how many 5 rupee coins are there? 5 rupee coins is how many parts? 6 parts. Answer must be 6 multiple 100. How many options? Only one 100. Okay. Or suppose 2 rupee coins we are consider 12 coins. 2 rupee coins are 12 coins. Means 12 into, what is the denomination? 2 rupees are 12 into 2 are 12 coins are 2 rupee coins. 12 into 2 plus 1 rupee coins are 25. Means we return 25 into 1 are plus how many 5 rupee coins? 6 coins are 6 into which one? 5 are. Okay, all these are adding, we are get the total amount of coins are 12 to the how much? 24. 25 into 1, 25. 25 plus 24, 49 plus 30. Total it is 79 rupees. If box contains 79 rupees, box contains 79 rupees, how many coins we need? 12 plus 25 plus 6. 12 plus 25, 37 plus 6, 43 coins are required. If box contains 79 rupees, how many coins we need? 43 coins. But here box contains how many rupees? 158. That is double or triple? Double. How many coins we required? 86 coins are. In that 86 coins, 2 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins are. 5 rupee coins is how many parts? 6 parts. Out of 43 parts are. 6 by 43 of how many coins? 86 coins are. 43 double 86 means 6 to the how many coins? 12 coins are. It is the actual procedure. Next question, number 63. On an article, a shopkeeper gets 6.25 as a profit and giving 15% discount on the market price. By what percent is the market price above the cost price? First 6.25% means what is the fraction? 1 by 16. 1 by 16 means 16 is the cost price, 1 is the profit. Next, how much percent or discount is given? 15%. 15% discount means selling price is 85% of market price. That is equal to cost price 16 parts, profit are 1 part. Selling price 17 by 16 of cost price. Yes or no? Left hand side selling price, right hand side also selling price. 17 almost 5 times. Okay. 5 how many times denominator? 20 times. That is 1 by 20. Means market price by cost price equal to 20 by 16. 5% means 1 by 20. 1 by 20 means it will become right hand side numerator. 20 by 16. What is the ratio? 5 by 4. How many parts are more? 1 part. 1 upon 4. 1 by 4 means 25% more or lesser? More. Next question, number 64. P is 65% more than the Q, then Q is what percent less than the P? P compared to Q 65% more. Then Q compared to P, how much percent are lesser? Then we return 65 by 100 plus 65 into which one? 100. We know the percentage more, but we required percentage lesser. 65 by which one? 165. What is the denominator? 165. What is the 10% of 165? 16.5. 20%? 33. 40%? 66. Numerator value closer to 40%. Which option is closer to 40%? 39.39%. Repeated value or not? 65, it is 13 multiple or not? Means value must be repeated or not? 28 possible or 39.28 are possible or 39.39 are possible? 39.39. 65. Total number of people is given how much? 20,000. The table shows the number of people traveling to the office with the different modes of transport and the ratio of the male to female. And car, how much percent? 15%. 15% of which one? 20,000. In that 15% of 20,000, what is the male and female ratio? 5:3. Everyone data are given. And what is the first question? Number of males traveling by the car is what percentage of the females traveling by bike? First, males traveling by car. Males is how many parts? 5 parts out of 8 parts. 5 by 8 of 15%. Is what percent of which one? Females by bike. Females how many parts? 5 parts out of 12. 5 by 12 of which person? 30%. Is what person means? Is by half into 100. 5 cancel. 15 how many times? 2 times. 2 almost 6 times. That is written as 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 75%. Because both the cases total values same or different? Same. If you return numerator 20,000, denominator also 20,000. Both are cancelled. Next question number 66. What is the average number of females traveling by car, auto and metro? Females, car, auto and metro. What are the females in car? 3 by 8 of which person? 15%. 3 by 8 of which one? 15%. Another one? Auto. Auto means 11 by 20 of 20% or not? Third one, metro. 3 by 4 of which one? 10% or not? 11 by 20 of 20 means it is 11% or not? 30 by 4 means it is 7.5% or not? 3 into 15 by 8, 45 by 8 or not? 45 by 8. 45 by 8%. All these are adding or subtracting? Adding. 11 plus 7.5. 18.5. 18.5 means that is written as 37 by 2 or not? 37 by 2. 45 by 8 plus 37 by 2 or not? Take the LCM. What is the LCM? 8. 2 how many times? 4. 4 into 37. 148 or not? 148 plus 45. 193. 193 by 8% of which value? 20,000. But average means divide by 3 or not? Divide by 3. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 3 almost 6. 13 means almost 4 times or not? 8 almost 8 times or not? 8 into 200. 1600 or not? What is the nearest value? 1608 or not? Next 67. What is the ratio of the number of people traveling by metro to that of bus? What is the metro percentage? 10. Bus percentage? 25. What is the ratio? 2:5. Which option? third one. Next question number 68. The number of males traveling by auto is what percent less than the number of males traveling by bus? Males traveling auto. What are the males in auto? 9 parts are means 9% are. And compared to which one? Males traveling by bus. What are the males traveling by bus? Total 5 parts. 5 parts are 25 means 1 part are 5%. 3 parts are 15% are. One is 15%, another one 9%. Less or more? Less. 9 compared to 15. How much value are less? 6. 6 upon 15. 6 by 15 into 100. That is 40%. Next question number 69. What is the cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Tan 60? Root 3 plus root 2 by 3. And this one we written root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Means we are getting minus root 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. Which option? Third option. Positive term minus negative term. Next 70. What is the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon of 41 sides? In triangle, what is the number of sides? 3 sides are. What is the sum of the interior angles? 180 are. Okay, this one we written n minus 2 into 180 are. What is the sum of the interior angles formula? N minus 2 into 180. N means number of sides are. How many sides are there? Triangle. 3 sides are. 3 minus 2, 1 into 180. 180 are. If it is square, how many sides? 4 sides. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 into 180, 360 are. But here how many sides are given? 41. Then we return 41 minus 2, 39 into 180 are. End with 20. Which option? Third option. It is 9 multiple or not? 6020, it is 9 multiple? No. Third option is 9 multiple or not? Next 71. Which of the following statements is are true? Cube root of 729? 9. Square root of 625? 25. 25 9s are 225. Left hand side 225. What is the right hand side? Cube root of 1331, 11. Cube root of 196, 14. 11 into 14, 154. Greater or not? First one is true or not? What is the second one? Square root of 256, 16. Cube root of 216, 6. Total it is 22. Next square root of 225, 15. Square root of 121, 11. 15 plus 11, 26 equal? No. Means only one is true. One is true, second one is false. Then answer only one. Next 72. I think it is a direct question. The point of which equidistance from all the vertices of a triangle, this point is known as circumcenter. Next 73. The value of 1 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 power 4 plus so on 3 power 9. Okay. What is the first one? 1. Second one 3 square. So on 3 power 9. And we are common 3 square. 3 square are common means what is the first one? 1. Second 3. Next 3 square means 9. Next one 27 plus so on 3 power 7 means this value in geometric progression or arithmetic progression? Geometric progression. Second term is divided 9 divided by 3, 3. 27 divided by 9, 3. 3 divided by 1, 3. Okay. In geometric progression, what is the sum value? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 or okay, substitute the values. What is the a value? 1. What is the r value? 3. A equal to how much? 1. R value 3. We are get the sum value, that is multiplied by which one? 9 plus 1 or next question number 74. చేస్తారు కదా 73. జస్ట్ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే we are get the bracket value. That bracket value is multiplied by which one? 9 plus 1 or don't say it is multiplied by 9, end with 9 plus 1, it will be end with 0. Okay. Next question number 74. What will be the value of a cube minus b cube? What is the a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. What is the a minus b value? 7. Means answer must be 7 into something, means it must be 7 multiple. First option is 7 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Okay. What is the divisibility rule of 7? What is the last digit of 1162? 2. It is multiplied by 2 times. 2 2s are how much? 4. That 4 is subtracted from remaining number. 116 minus 4, we are getting how much? 112. That 112 is exactly divisible by 7. Okay. Suppose if it is 287, what is the last number? 7 multiplied by 2, 14. 28 and 14, difference is 14. That 14 is exactly divisible by 7. Suppose if it is 91, what is the last digit? 1 into 2 means 2. 9 and 2 difference 7. That is exactly divisible by 7. Next question number 75. What is the value, place value and face value of 6? What is the place value? 600. What is the face value? 6. What is the answer? Second option.